What's up, YouTube? Happy New Week, guys. Hope you all had an amazing weekend so far. How was your Saturday and how was your Sunday? Okay, today I'll be analyzing just the Forex market. I know I've been dealing mostly on crypto market, but it's still the same analysis on the crypto. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do something different today. And this week I'll be analyzing the Forex market. For those in the community, I know you've been waiting on me to drop Forex review, and that's what this video will be all about. At first, I'll be analyzing the DXY and look into gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and I'll just give major rundown analysis for most UXD pairs, and if you have any pair you want me to do an analysis on or probably look for a setup on, you can comment that in the comment section or join the group and send a comment saying, hey sir, I would like you to do an analysis on this currency pair. So let's dive into the DXY. Okay, we all know that the NFP came out. It didn't really come out good for DXY. Okay, I mean it was kind of good, but it wasn't really good. So yeah, we did have that drawdown. As you can see, we did have that drawdown, and then but the market started coming back up. So what does this mean? So looking at the daily time frame, I'm thinking that we've gotten to the bottom of DXY. I was hoping we on the last analysis I did say we should clear this zone, but looks like liquidity is kind of like it's how will I put this the force of, let's just say, buying power, let me just simplify it that way, it's kind of like strong. So I'm like, okay, maybe we might not touch it below this, but I'm still marking this liquidity zone. Let me put my highlighter there, let me highlight that. So I'm still marking this zone. So we only touched it, okay, but we did not clear it. All right, we did not stroke down into it, probably clear it even below 103.201. So with that said, I know a lot of you will be like, okay, where should we think the market is going? For now, if you notice, gold is still ranging, so I still believe that the market might still be ranging a little bit. The market is very uncertain. That is what I know for sure. And yeah, we can't trade an uncertain market. I don't like trading uncertain market. So let me delete all of this and let me mark out the zone here. All right, so if we see the zone, we'll see there's a dispensation around there, and then there's a gap. Okay, there's a gap. Let's put this here and let's put this here. You can see there's a gap and there's a dispensation, right? And then we have liquidity sweep resting above here, which is our 107. So it's logical to say that there's a big chance that we might be looking to retrace back into 106. So there's a big chance that this week might be bullish a bit. I mean, not like full on bullish, but we might have that big we might have actually I just say retracement levels up to like 1.04. And if that doesn't happen, remember we having the CPI. I think the CPI is coming out this week, probably on Wednesday, or yeah, probably on Wednesday. We have the CPI coming and probably PPI, and yeah, we should be looking out for those major news. I would advise that you trade the news, although we did trade the news in the community. That reminds me, if you're not in the community, you're missing a whole lot. We did trade the news. We caught the buy on gold, and yeah, a few people made profits. Few people that were fast enough to wait for me to drop the signal, they did get their own share of the profit. And yeah, we do make losses, but losses are part of our earnings. So okay, so we had this drop. Okay, let me talk about the candles individually. We had 1, 2, 3, and we had a spike down, and that's why I'm still believing that we might need to clear this zone. Okay, I'm still emphasizing on clearing this zone. Probably there should be a liquidity sweep right about this layer around here, and when that liquidity sweep happens, then we might be able to see the DXY probably go up to even 106. But let's jump into the weekly time frame. Let me show you what I'm saying. Okay, you can see it. You can see that this candle is kind of like we're at now. Hold up, sorry about that. Okay, so look at this. This is where the weekly sweep candle is, as you can see, and now you can see where our retracement level is around 106. So it is fair to say that we might have that weekly sweep. All right, and then we might see DXY going bullish, but I still call major. Let me delete all of this, not useful anymore, not useful. They all did a bit. Okay, so let me put this one here instead. Yep, for this one, sorry about that. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, put this one here. So now it's much more easy to say, okay, we might want to be retracing to this level around here. So we should be looking for, that's why I'm saying we should be looking for more down bear candles to 0.1. okay, probably 0.1 or higher 102 or 101. So around this area we should be targeting some sell short around this area. But even if it doesn't get to this area, I do believe that probably this week we might be a bit bullish, a little bit bullish, at least to 105 and 106. I mean, on the weekly time frame we have a sweep around 105, around that area, 105.6, around this area. So yeah, we should be looking for a little retracement level to that zone. Okay, so we should be looking for bullish movement on the DXY as well as sell movement on the gold. So yeah, that's that for gold. Let's first check the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, it does look like DXY is trying to, if you notice, we have the zones here. Let me mark. Okay, let me delete this. We already pointed it out. Okay, so yeah, this zone, if you look at this zone here, you can see there's a little gap around here, and then we have liquidity somehow, like just a retracement. So it tapped into this other block around here, and then yeah, we have that drop. So yeah, it is much more likely to say we are soon going to be retracing into this level, but we just have to, maybe there will be a news. All right, if there is no news driver, no driver news, we should be looking for buy movements to this level, and then before thinking of retracing back down. But we have to wait. I would advise we wait for the New York Open, and if price has maybe gone above 104, if price aggressively goes above 104, then I'll be looking for buy movement and probably around re-entering around this 104.2. Yeah, there's no need to rush. It's still going to be a very good, you don't want to enter when you're not sure where the market is going. Okay, so 104, or I need price to go. Hold on, we had this is the open, this was the open of us today, and then yeah, they're still in like a midnight or something like that. So we're waiting for New York Open around 8 a.m. so there's 9, so yeah, around 8 a.m. we're waiting for that. So now if you look at the 1-hour time frame, you can see that there's already a gap opening around this place. Let's just put this here. And so yeah, I would use this gap opening to say we are looking for big movement to 0.4, and once that is done, then by the New York section we'll know if DXY would buy or not. If DXY doesn't buy there, yeah, we're going to clear this zone, but I'm hoping it respects this zone as at 103.781. I'm hoping respect the zone. Okay, and then once it does respect that zone, we should be going into 104.345, or at least around that area. And once that is done, we'll be getting a very good entry to 105.6. so I know that we might not be able to trade the DXY. So what does that mean? Let's jump into Euro USD. Let's go into EURUSD so that we can know how we will trade it. So if DXY is probably going to be bullish, then there's a big chance that EURUSD would be bearish. As you can see, it is having the same momentum. Let's mark this from here. As you can see, it's having the same momentum. So I wouldn't mind taking a risk on shorting EURUSD from now. But if we are to mark the, hold on, where's my vertical line? I want to put it at 6, 7, 8 a.m. Okay, let's put it, that is 9, 6, 7, 8, come on, go to 8. Yeah, 8 a.m. So I know that we are aiming for the New York section. So yeah, we are aiming for the New York section. So yeah, then I would know where I would enter from there. But I don't mind, I can still use this entry and probably I'll be putting my stop loss around this level here. So if I was to trade a short, remember we are all taking risks, I can be putting my stop loss. I think just use good risk management around this level here. So let me put that here as setting stop loss. Okay, so yeah, I can use that as my stop loss. This should be my entry. This very level here will be my entry because it's around that gap or somewhere inside. I can hold it through the New York session, and once this level is cleared, because I believe that we should be looking for a retracement right now on EURUSD. So around this level here, once this level is cleared, and then we'll aim for let me delete this so I can see. Okay, we'll aim for like 10677 so around that area, or even more. We can also aim for 10609. So it will be a very good reward ratio if you're going to short. Hold that. So if you're going to short, it's just minor risks. Okay, you don't have to catch a full on -$5 people. Okay, so yeah, it's good reward, rich reward. Okay, so yeah, this is so that will be the setup for EURUSD. Remember, you have to be careful, use the right risk management. Okay, don't over leverage, because by the New York session I'll still be entering. If it does go as planned and it goes below, it falls below 1.07839, I would be entering again around this level so that I can take it down further. So let's look at the daily time frame. Let's just see to confirm. Okay, you can see on the daily time frame, EURUSD, I did say on the last video that EURUSD was going to do well to this level. As you can see, it is going well, so it's not a bad thing to say EURUSD is going to retrace back down. But hey, we have not crossed this level yet. Okay, we have not crossed this level of liquidity sweep, this buy side liquidity. We need to cross it. So there's a big chance that I might not even be taking this trade, because now that I've seen it, that on the daily, on the DXY, we needed to cross that liquidity, buy sell side liquidity, I think as 102. And then now on the EURUSD, I can still see that we haven't even cleared our liquidity zone, the buy side liquidity zone at 1.09345. so yeah, we can hold on. It's not a bad thing to hold on. If we clear this zone, yeah, then I'll be shorting EURUSD with my full chest. Okay, so don't rush in, just hold on. I'll still enter this trade though, but I'm not, again, it's not for everybody. All right, if you can hold the rigs, I can hold the rigs. Okay, but if it doesn't go as planned, if it doesn't go from there and then probably retrace back into this level, I'll be, if my trade triggers, all right, and then I see my trade is actually, I've gotten to this level, I'll be taking major profits, so that maybe that's where it wants to retrace and probably clear the zone. Okay, so you don't have to start holding and then it goes back to your stop loss. So yeah, that's that for that. EURUSD is looking bullish as ever, but again, DXY is also looking bullish as ever because it needs to clear that liquidity side. So once they both clear the liquidity side, yeah, we should be aiming for the setups will be dropped in the Telegram channel. Okay, so yeah, we'll just be anticipating for the New York open. So I would not be analyzing GDP USD. I'll be going straight to gold. Where is my gold? Yeah, okay, so all right, let's look at that on the, okay, there's the daily time frame. I was analyzing the gold. Yes, I did analyze gold recently, and if you've been following the channel, especially on Friday during the NFP release, I did tell you how what was going to happen to gold. So gold was doing well, not gonna lie, gold was doing well. It got to my point, and then we all made profit on the group as at Monday and Tuesday. We made profit. We didn't trade again till like Friday, and that's where we made another profit, a small profit from from NFP, but gold is still ranging. Okay, so I'm anticipating that we are still supposed to go a bit bullish on gold at least before it drops. So I'm still looking at maybe gold should like go to like 2K952, 2,952 or around that area. But if gold doesn't do that, no worries. Okay, so but we have to get out of this range. So if you notice, I would not be dropping any gold signal till I see a spike and expansion. But right now we are in the equilibrium point, okay, and we actually have good liquidity cleared here. Like there was a sell side liquidity, so I'm anticipating for a buy right now. Although yes, it does look like we also had a buy side liquidity, but this side looks more heavier than this side, so it's a big chance that when this range is over, we should be going bullish on gold again, and before major drop down. Because if I go to my weekly time frame, if I'm on my weekly time frame, yeah, it looks like gold is at its peak and probably should be dropping. But again, the market is uncertain, and that's why gold is doing well. But now that the market is looking to recover, the market makers, the investors, the big players are like, okay, let's just wait. Now they're taking in so many orders, taking in so many volume. Okay, it's like nobody's making money in gold. So once the market becomes stable, then we might see gold even crash. Not like crash like drop to like but I did say we might drop back to like 2K500 or 2K585, because yes, the markets will become stable. Probably Bitcoin is going to start going bullish again, and then everybody will be happy, and then they will be like, yeah, the market is good, and then they start taking their money from the gold, and from gold they start putting into other crypto assets like altcoin, probably meme coins, probably Bitcoin, probably Solana, So that's how this is all going to play out, and you would watch it play out. I keep telling you all how things play out, and it just kind of happened that way. So yeah, be on the lookout. Okay, so yeah, I don't have any setup on gold because of this range. Though I do see some like setups, but I'm like, nah, I'm not going to take it. Look, we this range is outstretched. So we had Monday, we had Tuesday. Hold up. We had Monday, we had Tuesday, we had Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. After Monday and Tuesday, we had like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's like 4 more days of ranging. Okay, so we should be expecting some big move. Okay, that's to show you that there's something happening that we don't know, that they don't want us to know. Okay, and yeah, what is happening is good. What is happening is going to change the market drastically. So it's good when we have range like this, is to show you that there's going to be a very major strong move in the market, and that move will be yeah. So yeah, that's that for gold. I'm not looking to trade gold. So even if you're looking to trade gold, let me know what you think. Would gold be bullish? Would gold be bearish? Do you think it will get to 2,500 or 2,585? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, and yeah, lastly, I said I will look at USD JPY. Where is that? Where is that currency? I think I should have you. Okay, I don't have USD JPY over there. So USD JPY. So the only setup I gave was for Euro USD. Okay, the only setup. I don't have anything on USD JPY though. But let me just see how that's doing, because it's like the inverse version of gold. So USD JPY. Okay, so we had this drawdown here, and then we retraced back into this level, tapped into this gap. Okay, yeah, minus setback, and then now it's dropping again. So USD JPY is likely to probably it broke through the zones, and then yeah, okay, probably gonna drop back to like 145. It's likely to drop into 145, or at least that's 146 zone before probably going back up to like 149. I really do believe it's going to retrace back into 149, but I don't have any setup on USD JPY until I see a clear movement for DXY. Yeah, then once I see a clear movement for DXY, then I'll know how the USD JPY is going to move. But if you look at this, I was anticipating a very good buy for USD JPY that was January, and you can, since then it hit my stop loss, and since then it has been bearish. So I really don't know where USD JPY is going right now. what's happening to Japan. Are they trading anime or what? Probably they're trading too many anime. So yeah, I don't have any setups on USD JPY. I don't have any directions. It's okay not to have directions, but when you analyze better, you definitely see directions once in a while. Let's just check the GBP JPY. Oh, sorry, GBP USD. So you can see that it also has the 1 day, 2 day, 3 days of consolidation. So we should be expecting some pop off, also good pop off. And for GDP USD, I am expecting, I did have the zone marked out, and I'm saying I'm still putting the zone out there. Let me mark this one like this. Yeah, I'm still putting this ones out there. Put this here around. Yes, then put it around here. So I'm still expecting price to retrace back into this level, but even if it doesn't, let price just clear this level. Once price clears this level, it's probably going to retrace. Price clears this level, it's probably going to retrace and go back into this one. But if we look at this, we can see that GDP, Euro USD are showing bullish culture. Let me just call it bullish culture. All right, GBP USD, Euro USD are showing bullish culture, and also DXY is showing bearish, but it's looking to go bullish. So there's probably something that will happen. A lot of spikes, so you all should trade with care. I won't send a setup that I'm not sure of unless I'm 100% sure of it, because yeah, you use money to trade and you can't just be losing all your money, but you need to lose money to make money. So if you're going to be trading any setup, let me know. If you think GBP US is going to crash, let me know. If you think DXY is going to crash, let me know in the comment section below. Alright, thank you, and do have a nice one, guys. Don't forget to join the live section and the Telegram community. A whole lot is going down there. The link is in the description below. Okay, have fun.